Hello Fernand, student of class 8th. In this video, we will discuss the other remaining topics of this chapter. So, the topic is achievements of the United Nations. Now, in previous videos, we have discussed why United Nations was formed and its historical background. Now, in this video, we will discuss what this United Nations have achieved so far. So far, what is the achievement, what it has achieved. So, the United Nations has many achievements to its credit. It has often prevented regional conflicts from escalating into the full-fledged wars. And the United Nations peacekeeping forces have been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize as well. So, let's take some points. What are the achievements of the United Nations? This is the in picture, see page number 160. This is the United Nations peacekeeping force. From all countries, they contribute in the United Nations peacekeeping force. So UN peacekeeping force have been part of numerous peacekeeping operations in different regions of the world. They have ended many regional conflicts and prevented disputes from growing into the full-fledged war. And in 1988, this United Nations peacekeeping force have been awarded as a Nobel Peace Prize. Okay. Next is it has been successful in ending apartheid in South Africa. What is apartheid? A crime against humanity. That is the discrimination against the blacks and white. This is known as apartheid. A policy of racial discrimination. It was practiced in South Africa till the early 1990s. Black and white discrimination. Next is it has helped many countries to secure independence, and it has also conducted free and fair election in many countries. So this is the achievements of the United Nations. Next 2 or 3 points is your homework to study what are the achievements of the United Nations. Let's take the last topic, that is India and the United Nations. India officially became a member of the United Nations on 30 October 1945. When we have become the member of United Nations. Since then, India has always given active support to the programs of United Nations and has been actively involved in all activities of the United Nations agencies. For example, India has actively supported all peacekeeping effort of the United Nations. Always supported. Time and again, India has sent troops and medical team to the troubled areas, war-prone areas, and Indian troops are currently serving in many countries. India is against war and accumulation of weapons of mass destruction, that is nuclear weapons, and has always supported to the United Nations to work towards nuclear disarmament. India has opposed racial discrimination in South Africa, which is the policy of apartheid that we have discussed, and has always supported the cause of human rights. India has supported freedom movement of other countries. India has always given the full support to the United Nations. So this is the India and the United Nations and its relation. So we have seen achievements of the United Nations and India and the United Nations, their relationship. So I have, with this chapter concludes. Now do copy work with the help of written material on website. And thank you student, thank you very much.